Hi there. If you are looking some information about an Australian company, is the easy step to search for it. It can be for many purposes like business, KYP, or maybe you are having some offers with them or multiple things you can search for on. So search for ABN Lookup. So ABN means Australian Business Number, which you can look for a company. So just click on the first website and then you can see ABN stands for Australian Business Number and ASIN stands for Australian Corporate Number. You can search for any company, like whatever you want to search for, you can do it at here. So I'm searching for a random company. Let's see what it appears. So I can see the active companies and I can see the all ABNs. All ABNs mean there will be some deceased or there will be some non-active companies that previously worked on. So let's open up the first company. You can see the details of them. Entity name is Wilson Heritage Chain and when they were active and what's the entity type and they are submitting GST or not, and you can see their location as well. So you can see their all of records here. So whenever you're making a deal with an Australian company, make sure you have searched their details from here so you will be protected from the fraud or things or spam. You can see their historical details as well. Like you can see everything is available here. Thanks so much for watching the videos. Hope to see you in more.